Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, beta.
Ma'am, last question was left yesterday.
Last question was
Ma'am, left.
left. Okay. Uh, is there anyone else to join the class? Like in the previous class, any friend student was there?
Ma'am, I.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good afternoon, beta. Okay, page number, beta. What is the page number?
Ma'am, we were doing the workbook.
Yes, workbook. Quelle est la date aujourd'hui? Was this the one?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, okay. So, aujourd'hui, say
Ma'am, today.
yes, no, I'm asking. Aujourd'hui, say according to this calendar, we are supposed to tell. What is the day in the date in the calendar?
Ma'am, 13th.
Yes, 13th September, right?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Aujourd'hui, say 13 septembre. That's all.
Yes.
Now just do one thing. Have we done the previous chapter?
Ma'am, we have done chapter 9.
No, this we have completed chapter 9 in the workbook. Have we done chapter 8 also in the workbook?
No, ma'am.
No. So come to page number 47.
Ma'am, in workbook.
Yes, of the workbook.
Ma'am, we don't have.
I don't have
the workbook.
Who doesn't have the workbook?
Ma'am, I.
Ma'am,
Utkarsh,
I.
Utkarsh, you
Yes, ma'am.
don't
I
have.
don't have.
Zara, do you have?
No, ma'am.
Oh, and Aviral, what about you?
Ma'am, no.
And my workbook, everything has been solved. It is with answers. Now, how do I send you the PDF?
Ma'am, can we do oral revision?
Okay, let's do oral revision. I'm going to speak and you are going to type it in the chat box. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Listen to the question
ma'am.
very carefully. Complétez avec les verbes parler, habiter, aimer, et regarder. Just whatever I'm speaking, just write down on a piece of paper also. All the important things so that you can use it. Complétez les phrases. Complete the sentences avec les verbes regarder, habiter, aimer, and parler. Okay, 4 verbs. Now, the first sentence is je dash anglais et français. Which verb am I going to put in this? Je dash anglais et français. Have you written all 4 verbs that you're supposed to use?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, can you please again send the photo of the verb because I think I
In a
haven't
photo,
written.
so I have in my workbook, everything has been solved now. Wait, let me do something. What is the question? The question is, this text would not have accents. Okay, so please don't go on that. Accents would be missing here. Complétez avec les verbes habiter, parler, aimer et regarder. Got it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Sentence number 1 is je dash français et anglais. Je dash français et anglais. Which verb would come here, and what conjugated form of the verb will fit this blank? Tell me the spelling. You can just speak it out. Out of these 4 verbs, which verb will come?
Avoir.
Beta, avoir is not even in the options. What are you saying? You have 4 options. Yes. These are the 4 verbs that you have to use.
Ma'am, aimer.
Okay, if you use aimer in the blank, so do you think je will come in its full form? Would it not be then J apostrophe?
Yeah. It is wrong.
Yes?
Ma'am, parlor verb will come.
Yes. What is parler? What
Ma'am,
is
to speak.
to speak? Right? It is to speak. So what will be the spelling of parler here? What will be the conjugated form? Tell me. Je. Spell it out. Hurry up.
Parle.
Very nice. Who gave this answer?
Ma'am,
I, Utkarsh.
yes, ma'am.
Good. Je parle français et anglais. I speak French and English.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, Sanskrit student also have to join this class only.
No, beta. Sanskrit students will not
Ma'am.
join this.
Ma'am, actually there is no link for Sanskrit students.
Because Sadhna ma'am is not well, she's on leave. So I
Okay,
think it is
ma'am.
going to be a free period, beta. You can
Okay,
please
ma'am. Thank
you
you.
can please message Smriti ma'am and ask her what you're supposed to do. I'm not sure what you have to do.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Second sentence.
We have to write in copy.
Yes, because you don't have the book, so write it in copy.
Okay.
An, it's a name.
Do we have to write it?
Yes, better write it. An dash le chocolat. Now what is it? Which verb is going to come?
Ma'am,
Yes, tell.
ma'am, aimer.
An is name of a person. An dash chocolates. Now let's call it Annie. Now Annie dash chocolates. What does Annie do to chocolates?
Ma'am, Annie
Ma'am,
loves
eat.
chocolate.
Huh? What does she do?
I'm like.
Yes. So which verb is for like here out of these 4 verbs?
Ma'am, aimer.
Aimer. So tell me the conjugated form of aimer after N. What spellings of aimer will come here?
Ma'am, aime.
Very good. An aime les chocolat. Annie likes chocolates. The third sentence. Tu dash à Paris. Tu dash à Paris. There's a question mark. So what should I write in between? You dash in Paris.
Ma'am, you live.
Yes, live. Tell me, what will come here? Which verb is for to live? Habiter. Habiter.
Ma'am, regarding.
Beta,
Okay, ma'am.
habiter means to live. So we are going to write Habits. Why? Because with you, what is the this thing? What is the conjugation? E-E-S-E. You remember? E-E-S-E-O-N-S-E-Z-E-N-T. Do you remember ER ending verbs?
Yes, ma'am.
Or no, you don't remember? What is the pattern of ER ending verbs? Tell me. No one remembers. E, E-S, E, comma, E-S, comma, E. O-N-S, comma, E-Z, comma, E-N-T. This is how we do it.
Yes, ma'am.
E is with here. Then ES comes with tu. Then E comes with il and L. ONS comes with nu. EZ comes with vu. And ENT comes with ILS and ELL.
IL.
Yes. How many times we are children? We are on the workbook now. We are not doing the main book that you don't know all these verbs. That means you're not practicing at all at home. Next sentence. The fourth one says, nu dash le gato. Nu dash le gato. Now what will it be? We dash the cake. What do we do the cake?
I'm like.
Ma'am,
Yes, beta.
Ma'am, like.
Like. So which verb is for like here out of these four?
ma'am, Amer.
Amer. Now tell me the spellings of amer verb when it conjugates with nu. What will the spellings
Ma'am,
be?
AIMONS.
Very nice. Very good. Then next, fifth one. Paul A. Mark. Now we are talking about two people. Dash almond. What is almond? Almond is from which country? It is German. Paul and Mark dash German. So what do they do German?
They live.
They no. See, if it would have been for live, so the sentence would be Paul and Mark dash in. And this is not Germany. This is German. And if it
I
would be a
speak.
yes, अगर country name होता तो उससे पहले एक preposition लगती. In Germany. Now there is no preposition and it is not even a country name. So Paul and Mark speak German. Now tell me, speak के लिए parlor verb कैसे आएगा? Tell me.
PARLENT.
Very nice.
Yes.
P-A-R-L-E-N-T. Pal. Paul A. Mark. Pal almond. Very good. Then the sixth sentence. Tu dash la télé. No, sorry. Tu dash les films anglais. Les films anglais. Anglais. And there's a question mark. Tu dash les films anglais. What does it mean? What does the sentence mean? You dash English movies?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Ma'am, like.
Yes, it could be like also. You like English movies or you watch English movies. So we have
So,
two
ma'am, it
options
could
here.
be do you like?
Do you like? So what will the spelling be with you? Tell me.
Ma'am, like.
किसी के भी बता दो बेटा. Regarding भी आ सकता है, like भी आ सकता है. Spellings बताओ के
AIMES.
साथ. हाँ.
AIMES.
Very good. AIMES. Just a minute. Let me put my laptop on charging. Okay, done. AIMES, or let's just write another this thing option also. Tu regard. Do you watch English films or do you like English films? Then next one is, are you writing in the copy?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, good. Seventh one. Okay, seventh one is a little tricky one. Now you have to apply your mind what it is, because a very strong hint has been given here. Je dash en Chine, comma, je dash chinoise. Now tell. Two blanks are here. I told you which alphabet in French is also considered as a vowel, apart from A, E, I, O, U. I hope you remember.
Ma'am, H.
H. So what does it mean? We are going to use what here?
ma'am, I think habit.
Very good. So j'habite. It is going to be j'habite, which means I live. J'habite. This is going to be the conjugation. J'habite en Chine, which means I live in China. I dash Chinese. Now what do I do Chinese? I
Speak.
very nice.
Ma'am,
I
speak.
speak. So P-A-R-L-E. Je parle chinoise. Then the next one. Vous dash la télé. Vous dash la. Vous dash la télé. What are we going to put? Good afternoon. Vous dash la télé. Hurry up.
Ma'am, Amir.
Okay, you like TV. And second option? What is the second option here?
Ma'am, regard there.
Yes, both these verbs can come. Now tell me the spellings along with vous. With vous, what ending do we keep?
Ma'am, AIMEZ.
Very nice. Vous aimez or vous regardez. Vous regardez la télé? Télé, do you watch television? Done. With this, we are done with the exercise 1. Now the second exercise, what I'm doing is I'm typing and you will do it yourself in the copies. ठीक है?
Okay, ma'am.
Complétez avec les pronoms sujets. What is this? Okay, I am done with this exercise. What you're supposed to do? You're supposed to put subject pronouns. Will you be able to do it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, like in the fourth one, does he have a bike?
Who? Yes.
Ma'am, like in the fourth
Dash
sentence.
has a bike. Dash has a bike. Done?
No.
No, ma'am, just doing.
In online classes, we know that.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, what is the meaning of third sentence?
Beta, third sentence says dash live in Germany.
Okay, ma'am.
Beta, there are just 5 sentences. You've not done till now. Are you able to understand or not?
Ma'am, can you please just translate the fifth one?
Fifth one, dash a jolie. Dash is pretty.
She is pretty.
Yes. So what are we going to put for she? Which subject pronoun will replace the word she?
Ma'am, L. Ma'am, L.
Very good. L. Now, shall we discuss this?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. The first one says dash speak Italian.
Ma'am, two.
अरे ट्यू कैसे आएगा बेटा? Look at the spelling of pal. Is it ending with es?
Ma'am,
No.
he speaks Italian.
No, first
Ma'am,
J.
J.
yes, either it could be je parle Italian, or it could be il, or it could be l. Got it? Because the ending of pal that is given is e. It is e ending. So we can't put tu, we can't put vu, nu, anything.
So, ma'am, we have to use those verbs that end with E.
Yes, only that subject pronoun can be used whose conjugation will end with e. Got it? Yes or
Ma'am,
no?
second one is also J.
Yes, because suis comes with je only. So, je suis espagnol. Then, now the ending is ons. So, we are bound to put which subject pronoun? ONS ending comes with which subject pronoun?
Ma'am, no.
Wonderful. This is how you see and do. Nous habitons en Allemagne. Then, dash a en vélo. Single A. Now see, single A means what? It is not a part of this ER ending verb. It comes with which verb? You remember that verb? We have done avoir verb, right? Avoir means to have, isn't it? How does
Yes,
the
ma'am.
yes? How does the conjugation go? Je, then tu as, then il and elle are, then il elle are. So what is going to come here?
Ma'am, ill.
Yes, il. He has a bike. Il a un vélo. Then dash a jolie. Now a is which verb?
Ma'am,
First tell me est. Est is which verb? Être verb. Children, it should be on your fingertips by now. Être verb. It is to be verb. Yes?
Yes.
Which says je suis. Then tu es. Then il, elle, a. Till the time you will not learn all this, you will not be able to do these exercises. You need to learn them. Vous êtes. Then what comes after vous êtes? Il,
L.
elle, sont. This is the complete conjugation of être verb, of avoir verb. Let's complete of avoir verb also. Nous savons, vous, oh, where is it? Nous avons, then vous avez, then ILS/ELLES/ONT. Okay.
Ma'am, can it be ELLE?
ELLES बेटा, because ELLE तो हमने ऊपर यूज कर ही लिया है. It is for he and she. And ILS and ELLES is for what? It is for they, masculine they and feminine they. Okay. Now do one thing, both of you just write this conjugation. Where you are writing this exercise, doing this exercise, write it there. And the last blank is going to be L.A. Jolie. Why? Because Jolie stands for pretty and this Jolie is ending with E. So that means they have used it. Can you see this highlighted? This E is showing what?
Ma'am.
For feminine,
Yes,
Ma'am, we are ending verb.
feminine gender. So we are bound to put L over here. Now both of you write avoir and être verb. the conjugation right here, where you're doing this exercise. And in the next class, I want both of you, how many students are there? Let me see first. 3 of you to be very like prompt and spontaneous in this. Quickly, I should get answers from you.
Ma'am, in exam, give us these verbs to conjugate.
Yes, of course, they'll be given. See, there are 3 irregular verbs, être, avoir, and aller, right? The verbs are être, avoir, and aller. All these 3 verbs must be on your fingertips so that you can make difference between ER ending verbs and these irregular verbs. Aller means to go. I'll write down the conjugation of this as well. Je vais means I go. Tu vas, you go. Elle va, he goes or she goes. Nous allons. Nous allons. Then vous allez. And in the end, I have ils vont. ILS/ELLES VONT. Okay. These 3 verbs are very important. They are irregular verbs. They have their own working, independent working. They do not work on any given pattern. Okay. They have their own working. There is no particular pattern like other ER ending verbs, IR or RE.
Ma'am, done.
All of you have done?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So I think now this is all for today. Yes, now see you next week with everything on your fingertips, right?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, bye beta.
Bye, ma'am.